Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have the Medusa's Makeup Halloween box for October 2021. They did send this to me for review. I'm super excited about it. I love Medusa's Makeup's lip glosses, their pigments. I love their blush. There's a lot of products that I like from Medusa's Makeup, and they're not spoken about a lot. And that's why today I'm doing just one video on their October box, because I think that it is time for these indie brands to be more well known, and that the subscription boxes should be more well known as well, because as we know, a lot of the subscription boxes that we all know and love that are very popular are going up in price, and we need to find something better. So I'm going to unbox the Medusa's Makeup. It's actually upside down. Sorry about that. How long was it upside down? Probably the whole beginning of this video. This is $18.95 a month. And it says it ships immediately. You get 5 premium beauty products delivered monthly, limited edition themed boxes, featured brands, 100% cruelty-free and vegan, free shipping. You can skip a month and you can cancel anytime. And they also ship international. So amazing. Let's open it up. Oh, I want to tell you, I'm drinking the Javi coffee concentrate. I've been trying like different recipes on how to use this coffee concentrate, and I am drinking a hot cup of coffee with it. And you guys, this is really, really good. It's super strong. So if you're somebody that needs like that caffeine kick in the morning, but you've been drinking coffee your entire life and now coffee's just coffee, it doesn't really wake you up, this is a really good coffee to drink in the morning. I'll drink 1 cup of the Javi coffee with 1.5 teaspoons of their coffee concentrate, and I am zipping around my house like I'm 16 again. I mean, seriously. So anyway, here it is, the Javi concentrate. I have a bottle of it upstairs, and I'm drinking it with the Starbucks caramel macchiato creamer with a little bit of half and half in there as well. It's really super good, like super good. Okay, anyway, let's open this up. She did say she sent me something extra in here. I'm really excited to see what the stuff is that she sent that's extra, because I love their products so much. Okay, so this is what their bag is for the month of October. So and then here's the extras. How cute. Okay, I'm super excited. And I already see something that I'm really excited about. Ooh, did we get lashes? Sorry, I didn't mean to say that out loud. Okay, let's open it up. The 5 products are $76 worth. Super duper excited. And the first product is Medusa's Makeup. Oh, it's new. I was gonna say, because I have not used, oh, it's an eyebrow liner. I haven't used their eyebrow pencils. So really excited about that. So here's the eyebrow pencil. It's a micro brow pencil. And this is in the shade, oh, it doesn't say the shade. Let me see. It doesn't say the shade. I'm sure there's different shades for their line. Ooh, this is gonna be perfect. They watched my video. They know who I am, so they know my coloring. And there it is. It went on really nicely. It didn't tug. It was just gliding onto my hand. Ooh, oh, I broke it. I tried to write an A and I broke it. Tried to be fancy there, draw an A, but you know, shouldn't be fancy. Okay, this is really cute. I love eyebrow products. As you guys know, I paint these suckers on, so I'm super excited to get an eyebrow product. And then we have this, and this is a nail polish, and this is 10 free chemistry. Oh, the eyebrow product is $18. This is $18 right here. The shade is, I don't know yet. It says this is clean nail color up to 85% naturally derived nail energy, NRGY, biopeptide complex, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. So here we go. And let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. It's called Gilded Amethyst. I love nail polish. I used to hate getting nail polish, guys. I used to be one of those people who get nail polish and be like, I'm not really excited. But now that I like do my nails, or I use nail stickers or nail polish, I get really excited about it. Okay, so let's do a swatch on the back of this. And there's the shade. Oh, it's a really beautiful opaque purple, but it's like, it's got a shift to it. So I'm really excited about that. It's really pretty. Oh, it looks like it dries really fast. it's actually really thin. The formula is really, really thin, and it dried super fast. Like, it's almost dry now. Wow, okay. I can't wait to try this. The next is the lipstick, and this is in the shade Blue Moon. I love their packaging. I'm not going to swatch this because I know I won't use it. Typically, if I saw a Smurf shade like this, I'd be like, oh my God, I'm not going to, you know, why did they send this? But I kind of understand because Medusa's makeup does have a lot of shades that are out of my comfort zone. And I know a lot of people would wear this regardless of me. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not the only person in the world. And it is Halloween week, Halloween month. So, I mean, come on. We gotta go with it. It's not a bad shade. I mean, for me it is. I would probably look like, if I put this on my lips, I would look like I was dying or dead. Is that mean to say? I don't think so. I don't think it's mean. Okay, the next thing are the lashes. I am so excited to see lashes. These are new as well. And there's an assorted style of lashes, and these retail for $12, and the packaging alone is super cute. So you can reuse them and place them back in here, which is adorable. So here are the lashes. As you guys know, I wear lashes, and these look a little natural. So they're a little bit, they're not super natural lashes, but they are more natural than what I'm wearing right now. Right now I'm wearing Noella lashes as usual. So, oh, it looks like a little crystal. My daughter will love this. It's just really pretty, actually. I love how it looks. Okay. And then here are the lashes. Yeah, these are really beautiful. These, how am I going to show you these? These are super, super pretty. I actually think these are more on the natural side than they would be like a dramatic lash. They're really pretty. I would pick these up. If I saw these in the store, I would definitely pick these up and use them. Really, really pretty. I don't know how many times you can reuse them or not, so I'll let you guys know in the description box because I'm sure I will put this video up after I've used these a few times on them. Okay, and the last but not least is this. And this is the Medusa's Glam Rock Eyeshadow, 1971, and it retails for $14. I really like their eyeshadows. Here we go. And you can take these out of the packaging and put them in a Z palette. I've done that with a few. And they're gigantic pans. That's another thing. Nice big pan. And let's swatch. Ooh, it's like a gray purple. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so it's not like this super opaque shimmer shadow. It's more of a satin than anything else. It's really pretty. It's got a purple shift to it, but it also looks like gray, like a silver. Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, so for the month of October, we received a pair of lashes that are new. This is the first time they're doing lashes. Super excited to try these out. I think this is my favorite. If this was 2 years ago and I got lashes, you guys would be like, you would hear me say, I don't really wear lashes. Now I'm like, I love lashes. Anyway, I'll wear these for sure. Super excited. I actually love the packaging. Such a great idea. We got the single shadow in the shade 1971, and I'm super excited to try it. This would look really pretty with a, like a smoky eye, and put this as a spotlight in the middle or like in the center of your lid. Or this would look really pretty with a purple eye look as well. So super excited to try this. We got the nail polish by 10 Free Chemistry in the shade Gilded Amethyst. Really beautiful shade. This is what it looks like when it dries down. Then we received the Blue Moon lipstick, which I personally wouldn't wear, but I am sure somebody else would. It's not all about me. And we also received the eyebrow product, which I'm super excited to try. I love getting eyebrow products. I thought it was really good. $18.95 for these products. Really happy about it. Definitely check Medusa's makeup subscription out. Now let's go through the extras because I'm super excited. Let's see. Ooh. This is my favorite lip gloss of theirs right here. This is in the shade, I think it's Hot Stuff, but yeah, this is in the shade Hot Stuff. And you guys, it's such a beautiful purple with this really pretty shift to it. It's like a sparkle shift to it. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? This is a great stand-alone lip gloss. You put this on your lips and go out the door. I mean, it's so, so pretty. It gives you enough color on your lips that you don't need anything else. And you can put it on your lips over and over again and it doesn't gloop up. It's my favorite part about their lip glosses, that it doesn't feel like you have like gloopiness on your lips. I love their lip glosses. Here is the shade again, and then here is the shade in the packaging. Ooh, super excited. And then I got this one, and this is Love Machine. I don't think I have this one. I'm very excited, as you guys can tell. Ooh, it's a very pretty, it's Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. And it's a very pretty light pink with a bunch of glitter in it. And as you guys know, I love lip glosses. There's the doe foot applicator. It kind of smells like cake. So here is the gloss right there. It's just a really pretty light pink glitter gloss. Super pretty. Love it so much. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I got these lip glosses. You guys, check their lip glosses out. They're probably some of my favorite lip glosses to put on my lips because they're thin. Like, they don't do that gloopy part on your lips. Okay, let's check out these loose pigments. We have right here, this is the Pennywise. Oh, this is going to be really pretty. It's going to be like a copper. Pennywise Gal. There. Oh, that's gorgeous. So there's that one. Ooh. Look how pretty. Yeah, this would look so beautiful with so many palettes that I have. You guys know I love brown. I'm wearing it today. Okay, then we have Vanilla Latte. It's like a very light pink. Ooh, that's so pretty. Let me do another. I don't think I have a shade like that. That's gorgeous. Yeah, that's really beautiful. I don't have any shades like this. That's really unique. That's really beautiful. It's pink, but peach as well. Like, it's like a peachy, it's really pretty. And this one is Rising Sun. There we go. So pretty. That is absolutely stunning. That is so, so pretty. I will wear the crap out of that. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much to Medusa's Makeup for sending this to me. I will use these so much. They will literally be on my eyes all the time. I just love them so much. So thank you for sending me the little extras. And I will make sure to be linking Medusa's Makeup subscription box in my description box down below so you can check them out for yourself. Definitely check them out. Not every month you get a blue lipstick, but it is Halloween month. And all the other products is awesome. I love that they sent the brow pencil, the eyelashes, the nail polish. I thought it was really good. So make sure you go check them out. That is it for today. And I hope you guys are having a really great day. I love you guys so, so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.